to another epic video. Today we're going to be opening a Leapfrog rocket twist. Let's get unboxing. Subscription. Amazing adventures for young learners. I will charge this and we'll be right back. Now that it's charged, let's turn it on. A power button here. So let's turn on the power.
Get started by picking a sticker for your profile. Use the red D-pad to make a choice. Then press the green check mark.
So now that it's working, I'm going to set it up and see how it works. I'll update you next time. I hope you enjoyed this amazing video. Like and subscribe.